Hey everyone! Want to create eye-catching, seamless patterns in Canva that can elevate your digital art, social media posts, or even packaging designs? Today, I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step method to make a seamless, repeating pattern that looks professional and polished, perfect for trends. Search and select a template first. Head over to Canva and type seamless repeating pattern in the search bar. You'll find tons of ready-made templates designed to repeat perfectly. Browse through the options and pick one that matches your style or the vibe you're going for. Choosing the right base makes the rest of the process much easier. Customize your design. Once you've selected a template, click Customize this template to open the Canva editor. Here's where the magic happens. You can adjust colors, swap out graphics, resize elements, or rearrange them to make the pattern truly yours. The goal is to keep the elements aligned so the pattern flows seamlessly when repeated. Experimenting here lets your creativity shine. Download or share your pattern. When you're happy with your design, click the share button in the top right corner. You can download your pattern as a PNG for the best quality and transparency. This format ensures your pattern will look crisp, whether it's for digital use or print. You can also share it directly from Canva if you want to showcase it instantly. And that's it. Making seamless patterns in Canva is that simple. The more you practice, the better your designs will become. So keep experimenting and building your pattern library. Try different colors, elements, and layouts. Your creative possibilities are endless. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and practical Canva tips.